If you live in Vancouver, the biggest march the city has seen since the Olympics 15 years ago is happening this Wednesday, June 24th, Canada versus Switzerland World Cup March. I used AI to scan our last march and 25,000 people showed up. Today I'm going to show you how we can get to 50,000 marchers. And yes, that means skipping work, skipping school, and getting your boss to give you the morning off. If you have a Zoom call this Wednesday morning, take it from the march. If this guy can drive on a Zoom call, you can take one while marching for Canada. Here's what you need to do. In Zoom settings, set your noise suppression to high. Set up your virtual background and stay on mute. If someone calls on you, just pretend your mic doesn't work. Now, if you can't get time off work, we want you to call in sick. Yep, that's right, we need you at the march. Remember, sick days don't roll over in BC, so honestly, you might as well use them. The march gathers at around 9:30 in the morning. You'll be done by 11:30 and back at work by noon. So that's really only half a sick day, which is totally doable. If you're heading back to the office in the afternoon, be mindful of wind. There are going to be flares everywhere, so stay upwind so you don't smell of smoke. But if you do get some on you, go to Sephora at Pacific Center and use their free samplers to cover it up. Also, pack a change of clothes too, since you'll be wearing Canadian red. Now, Tuesday is when you want to soft launch your sickness. Send this message to your boss. Sorry for the slow reply. I wasn't feeling well. I think I might have a gluten allergy. Nothing dramatic, just enough that they know that you're not okay. Then you're going to follow up with a, do you know a good naturopath? This is a diversion. Now they're trying to help you. They're not questioning if you're actually sick. Remember, sick days don't roll over in BC, so use half a sick day on June 24th and come to the march. Now, if you're a business owner, a decision maker, or a CEO, June 24th is now your company's employee appreciation event. In fact, it's mandatory for all employees to attend the march. Bring company swag, walk together, and experience the energy of 50,000 people marching through the city. That means 50,000 potential eyeballs on your company brand as well. After the march, head back to the office and watch the game. There's not going to be any traffic since the SkyTrain and buses are going to be empty. Less time commuting means more time employees are working. It's a win-win situation for your business. Now, profits are up, business is great, and you know it. So spend $25 per employee on DoorDash, buy everybody lunch, and watch the game. Now remember, attending this march means succeeding in an AI-led future. It all starts with humans marching on June 24th. Now, if you're a parent, skip school. If your kid has an exam that day, they're sick. Simple as that. And we haven't seen anything like this since the 2010 Olympics. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, I can't do that, I can't encourage my kids to skip school, think about it. When your kid grows up and they're moving out and they're leaving you forever, they're going to be thinking about the memories you made together. So by attending the march, what you're really doing is you're creating a core memory with your kid that's going to make them love you more. So here's what we need from you guys. Put June 24th in your calendar right now and share this video in 3 group chats. 25,000 people showed up last time. Together, let's get that to 50,000 marchers. The city hasn't seen anything like this since the 2010 Olympics, and it's happening this Wednesday morning. It's free, it's open to everyone, and you'll be done by noon. So there's no excuses. Check the first comment for March details, and we'll see you out there on June 24th.